Hey guys, it's iMac Blaine, and I just picked up this MS70 off of Amazon and decided to try it. Um, I went and did a few test runs on some copper. I don't know, didn't get rid of the brown toning, but it is shiny now. I got this in 1979 and change yesterday, and I thought, I should try it. It was red, and I put it on there, and it really brought out the toning. I don't know if you can see it. That's a purple tone to it now. I didn't take off the part there in the corner on the right hand side. So I'm not complaining, I wasn't sure what was going to happen. I did as the instructions asked and just put it on there. I hit a 2012. It didn't really even out anything. I think I'm going to have to buy another product to clean it, which is okay. I hit all of these coins, by the way. They're all been done. That one's still dirty. This token, it really made it shine, but now you can see all of the oxidization. It started to tone that top corner. And then I wasn't too thrilled about this. It was a matte brown color. Now it's like a shiny brown. I was hoping at least it would make it look sort of like a toned coin. It just looks fake. If my camera will focus, you can see that shine. I made it shiny. It took some of the brown off of the top points. I might just not be doing this long enough, but I just did a quick dip on this and you can see it's shiny now. I might have to scrub it. It says to scrub it with the Q-tip. I don't want to damage these coins though. This one here got a little bit of an interesting ring tone around it. And that wasn't there before. You can see the ring. This was one of my home toned coins. It was a failure. And this thing was ugly. You couldn't really tell any of the words out. So it did clean up this. It cleaned it up nicely and it added a sheen to it. It works a lot better than the UV protectant that I was trying before. So now for my ultimate test run. I just went and bought this from a local. It has some purple paint on it, as you can see. There's already cleaning lines. Someone cleaned this coin. It probably fell into like a thing of nail polish. You can see in Above In God We Trust, you can see that on the back there's some hand toning. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this with the MS70 and see if it does anything. I'm expecting it to get shinier. I'm going to have to play around with it. I think I'm going to try that easy shine. Yeah, that easy shine. I saw a video, someone reviewed it, and they just put it in for a couple of seconds and it cleaned up the coin, all the toning and whatnot. So I think that this might be an after dip. Like maybe use that first and then do the MS70 second. Oh hey, look at that. It took off the purple. You know what? This stuff might actually work. And that was one of my ponders on this. What if it is cleaning it and it's making it all pretty and it's just the natural toning on that 1979. Maybe it pulled out the toning. Because that got off the purple. That's completely clean. So I'll go ahead and hit the back here. For the sake of the video, I'll do a new dip. It says that you shouldn't be touching this stuff, don't drink it, don't anything. I guess I've just worked too many jobs with chemicals. It's not supposed to be acidic either. It's getting off the dirt around the stars though. Get a nice even coating on there. I wouldn't do this with a proof coin, I don't think. The amount of pressure that I'm putting on it right now isn't that much, but it's still enough to damage it, I think. Give it a little bit of a scrubbity scrub. So it's not taking off that natural toning there, the handprint. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'm pressing pretty hard on it right now. Okay. Fold it over, pat it dry. So I don't know, it looks pretty shiny now. I took off the purple paint. I'm gonna go and do a quick wash in the water. Alright, so I just put it in some water and pat dried it. I feel like it's shinier. The paint definitely is gone. And I tested this is real silver. I picked it up locally on the app Let Go. So overall, I guess I'm happy with it. Like I said, you know, this is the first one that I did. I got this in the mail, and I got this yesterday and change. And it was a red, full on red. I dipped it, and it started to tone, and I was, oh no, what did I do wrong? But I think that it just sort of, the MS70 gave me a little bit of a toning, like pulled out the natural toning. And I wish I could like show you the toning on that. I don't know if you can see it, top right corner. But this was dirty, and it cleaned up the dirt pretty well. But now you can see all the specks. You can see the toning in the top right hand corner there. The letters, especially no, gained a toning. Shiny brown. I don't like the shiny brown. I think it just looks fake. It looks like fake money. So only time will tell if this thing works. I'm gonna give it a few more batches. But as far as that paint goes, that paint is gone. That is clean. And I think if I had gotten to this before whoever tried to clean it the first time, then it wouldn't have as many visible scratches. Probably just a few micro scratches. Didn't get rid of the toning. That toning there, I gotta get rid of that. So I think that I'm going to get some of that easy dip. The video that I watched on the easy dip, it showed you just dip it in and it gets rid of that rim tone. And so if it does do that, then I'm thinking that in theory you can dip this coin, get rid of the toning, and then use the MS70 to give it that nice bright polished shine. Alright, so that's my review, dipping a 1998 ASE in the MS70 and the rest of my coins. I'll just redo it real quick on this one. I sort of like the toning. I don't mind it all that much. But I was hoping that it wouldn't do that, and it did that. And if that's how it's gonna do it to all of them, then I'm not gonna be dipping my red wheats in here. I don't want them to look all splotchy like that, but it does give it that nice shine to it. Go ahead and redo this one too. And I didn't roll it the first time, I actually did scrub it, like, you know, but holding my camera, I'm not going to be able to do that. But it gives it that little bit of a shine to it. Should probably be wearing gloves. Even if it's not going to hurt my skin, which it hasn't burnt my hand yet. I don't feel anything. But maybe it will leave like a pattern on the penny or something, and you don't want that. So, once again, thanks for watching, you guys, and most importantly, y'all have a wonderful rest of your day.